Thirst offset cube takes shape at Supertall Waldorf Astoria, Miami, Miami's future tallest tower. The skyline of Miami is undergoing a remarkable transformation with the emergence of the Waldorf Astoria hotel residences, a super tall structure that is set to redefine the city's architectural landscape. Recent photographs taken this month reveal that the first of the 9 distinctive offset cubes that comprise the building is now taking form, marking a significant milestone in its construction journey. In addition to the structural progress, it appears that the installation of glass on some of the lower floors is also in progress, adding a sleek and modern touch to the building's exterior. What makes the Waldorf Astoria particularly noteworthy is its ambition to become the tallest building in Miami, as well as the first super tall tower in the entire state of Florida. Standing at an impressive height of 100 stories, or 1,049 feet above sea level, it will soar nearly 200 feet higher than any other existing structure in the city. This iconic tower will not only serve as a luxurious hotel, but will also house 387 private residences alongside 205 guest rooms, catering to both residents and visitors alike. As we witness this architectural marvel take shape, one can't help but wonder, what impact will this towering presence have on Miami's skyline and its community? Will it spark a new trend in urban development, or will it face criticism for overshadowing the city's historical charm? Share your thoughts below.